Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today we have another scent from Maison Anthony Marmin, that is Mukhallat Badawi. Now I am actually very curious about it because it has almost all the elements that I really love. So it has woodiness, it has spiciness, oriental kind of attar. So let's find out how it actually stands out. It has oud Cambodi. So let's find out how this mix actually performs. So I am going to apply it. So these boxes are, difficult to open somehow. I'm not sure. So here we have it, Mukhallat Badawi. So I am going to apply it on my wrist now because I have already used other areas. So here we have it. Oh, this is really earthy. It is, oops. So it is totally in a very different direction. Spicy and earthy. This is the first thing that I have noticed. Okay, damp, spicy, earthy. A bit dark. It is like a dark wood barrel that is wet and has spices in it. Really spicy. It is really spicy. It is oriental kind of, damp oriental kind of attar. Although it says oud Cambodi and all that, but right now top of the bat I actually get very heavy spiciness, damp spiciness. There is woodiness in the background, but it is very damp and spicy. So there is some sharp kind of spice in there, which is a bit irritating to my nose. Oh no. So actually now it actually smells that you entered a herbal or herbal, in American English they call it herbal shop, and you are going to find some spices in there. All the cabinets are woody, they are damp, there is more dampness in the air. It should be called Spice Bazaar. I'm not sure. Maybe people love these kind of spicy kind of attars, but I didn't enjoy it much. I had very high hopes that maybe the oud Cambodi is a bit more prominent over here, or woodiness is there, or sweetness is there, but it is more like a woody, spicy kind of oriental attar. So this is my review about this Mukhallat Al Badawi. Now I would rank it in scent profile. Scent profile is although unique, but I didn't enjoy it much, so I'm going to rate it like 6 out of 10. And performance, I think it would perform like normal, 5 out of 10. Yes. So these are my thoughts about Mukhallat Al Badawi. If you like very high spicy damp kind of attars, I think you should go for this one, or at least try its sample. As I try to explore scents, so I keep on buying samples. I wish there is that each website or each perfume company or other company, they have samples to try. And that is my review. I didn't enjoy it much. I hope you have enjoyed this honest review. Till then, we will meet in another video. Take care and bye bye.